Good afternoon everyone, it's Fiona from Yellow Brick Road, St Mary's, and it's Mortgage Monday. Today I'm going to talk about debt consolidation. Now, over the last few weeks I've seen ads on TV and on the radio talking about credit card consolidating all your credit card debts into one credit card, and personal loans. So today I'm going to discuss the advantages of actually consolidating your credit cards and your personal loans into your home loan, and how that's of benefit to you. So first of all, when you have a home loan, of course the interest rate is probably around 4%. Now your credit card interest rate is generally between 20 and 30%, and your personal loans probably between 8 and 12%. And that makes for a high monthly repayment. So when you consolidate into your home loan, of course you're going to get the same interest rate. All right. My next point is when you consolidate your credit card and your personal loan into your home loan, and you're sitting with a mortgage broker to do this, your broker will help you structure your home loan so that you don't have the whole 30 years to pay that debt off. All right? So you can have your mortgage of $350,000 and you can have a separate split of $30,000 for your credit cards and your personal loans, still paying the same interest rate. It will have a separate account number, so you can allocate how much money you want to pay off that credit card, and you can also pay the same repayment, if you like, onto the credit card and pay it down in half the time because the interest rate is so much lower, and you'll see a huge benefit in that. And lastly, now that you've consolidated your credit card and your personal loans, you'll find that you only have the one monthly repayment, and it will be easier to budget and easier to understand where all your expenses are going. All right, so that's my my little Mortgage Monday for this week on debt consolidation. Credit cards and personal loans can go into your home loan, okay? And there are benefits to that. So just remember that you're losing your month. You'll have one monthly repayment instead of lots of little ones. The interest rate will be lower, and it will be structured so that you can pay these off separately in your own time. That's it from me today. Thank you. Have a great week.